Hello, I'm Chisi. Today we are going to introduce our company's LED spa bar. Let's get to do it. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a quick look. The first thing that's come out is a remote control. Plug and cable can be used while changing. It is LED spa bar itself. The LED bar is mainly used to place wine bottles or other items. The inbuilt LED lights provide lighting that illuminates all of the glass holders, and the 16 colors can be changed by using the remote control. And we use imported PE material, which is light in weight, good in light transmission, high in color re-rendering, and easy to carry. It has the characteristics of corrosion resistance, jump resistance, and high temperature resistance. It means not having to leave your hot tub to top up your drink. Our new floating spa bar brings your drinks to you. The perfect addition when hosting a hot tub party with your friends and family. So now please don't wait. If you want to know more information about bath step and the spa parts, please contact us.